This video tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process on how to create a Fire Service Training Bureau ACADIS portal account. Please visit iafstb.acadisonline.com to begin. If you would like to follow along, written instructions can be downloaded here by following this link. Each step must be completed to successfully create and log in to your ACADIS portal account. I recommend doing this on a laptop or tablet. ACADIS is not currently optimized for use on a mobile device, and you may have trouble accessing ACADIS on a small screen device. This is the Fire Service Training Bureau ACADIS homepage. Here you will find information about how to create a portal account, what to do if your account becomes locked, and the most recent information about training and certification testing. Helpful links such as our frequently asked questions can be found at the bottom of the page. I would encourage you to visit this page frequently to see the latest updates. In the future, step-by-step guides and video tutorials can be found here explaining our new processes. The first step to create an ACADIS portal account is to create an id.iowa.gov account. Click the link here to begin. This is the id.iowa.gov homepage. If you already have an account, please make sure you are able to log in. Please note that Iowa ID and id.iowa.gov are not the same. You will need to create a new account if you have an Iowa ID account. You must use an email that you have access to. We recommend using a personal email address so that you can maintain access to your ACADIS portal account if you change employers. If you do not have an account, click Sign Up. Follow the prompts to make an account. After you continue, you will be required to verify your email and create a password. You must complete both steps. If you do not verify your email, your id.iowa.gov account will be deleted. This is what the verification email from id.iowa.gov should look like. Return and create a password. Your password must be 12 characters. After you have completed these steps, you will be required to set up multi-factor authentication. I recommend using the phone to authenticate. You will only need to set up one multi-factor method, but you will be required to enter the verification code you receive to your phone. Once this is complete, scroll to the bottom of the screen and hit Continue. If you have reached this page, you have successfully created an id.iowa.gov account. The next step is to request an ACADIS portal account. Navigate back to the ACADIS homepage at iafstb.acadisonline.com. On the right-hand side, under Resources, select Web Forms. Select FSTB Portal Account Request. This form is used to request an account. First, fill out your personal information. Fields with red asterisks are required. Nickname and other names used in the past are optional. Next, enter your FSTB ID. Your FSTB ID is the first 5 letters of your last name and the last 4 numbers of your Social Security number. Here are some examples. This will temporarily be used to match you to any existing training and certification records that you may have with the Bureau. If you are new to the fire service, please follow these same guidelines and input your FSTB ID information. Next, enter the email address that you just used to create an id.iowa.gov account. If you use a different email, you will have trouble signing in. Then answer the following question. Next, enter your contact information, including your home address and phone number. The next section requests your FEMA SID number. This is not a required field. This can be added later. If you have this number available, enter it here. Finally, enter your department information. This section is for employment pertaining to the fire service only. For example, we do not need information on your employment at ABC Auto. However, there are various emergency management agencies, community colleges, and law enforcement agencies to choose from. If you are a community college student, please select the name of your school with students at the end. If you do not see your employer listed, please select Other and record your employment information in the non-tracked employer field. Once this is complete, scroll to the bottom and hit Submit. If a required field was missed, it will be highlighted in red. You will receive an email from FSTB ACADIS Administrator immediately following your submission. This is what that email looks like. This does not mean your account has been created. Portal accounts have to be manually created. Please allow 2 business days for this process. This email only confirms that you have requested an account and provides information about signing in. Once your account has been created, you will receive a welcome information email. Your account is now ready for you to sign in. You can follow this link to access the ACADIS homepage. When signing in, do not use the enter email address and enter password fields. You must use sign in with id.iowa.gov. Click here, then enter your id.iowa.gov login credentials. You will be routed back to ACADIS once successful. The first time you sign in, you will need to accept these terms. You have now successfully created and signed in to your FSTB ACADIS portal account.